Well, I just want to take a couple moments here to just greet you. And we're finishing up the halfway point here within our 7-week course. And I hope you're still encouraged, you're still excited. And I've been encouraged by reading your assignments and also your post. And this week, we're going to be talking about issues. Now, something within counseling that you will face and confront is people that come to you with some heavy burdens or some very heavy issues. So something that I want to prepare you within this assignment is prepare you to hear the worst case scenarios. What happens a lot of times when we're sitting in a counseling session or talking with somebody, all of a sudden that person will open up and will actually confess certain things that me and you have to be ready for. Because what happens if we're not ready for these different confessions is that we could be shocked. It could grab a hold of us, and maybe we won't be able to minister to that person. Or at times, which is something that could be really bad, is when we hear the person's issue, we could be very judgmental or show an expression of unsatisfaction. And this could really hinder or hurt somebody that is trying to get a breakthrough in these different situations. And I can say from experience, I faced a lot of different sessions where people have confessed that they're homosexual, that they're cheating on their wife, or different things that is very shocking. So there's been times where I've been shocked and I didn't know how to express myself or what to do. And I've learned through that experience. And Collins really talks about these different issues. You'll hear some issues on sexual issues. You'll hear some dealing with different problematic people. You also deal with abuse, when there's abuse in the family. And remember, we're talking about people within the church. We're talking about the context within Christianity. So these things are real things, and they really happen. So we have to be ready for them. Also, I want to also make mention is that I've been noticing that the discussion questions haven't been as strong as I would like them to be, and meaning that some haven't really posted different things or specifically replied to others' posts. Now, I just want to remind you that this is part of your grade, so you want to take some time. And I made a couple adaptations there, a couple changes there. I want you to take your time and write a good post, write a good discussion, and I want you to discuss and talk to somebody else about these different posts. I want you to comment on different posts, and if you have something else that maybe you want to discuss, you could go ahead and put it there on the forum. It could be something random. Try to keep it in line with the theme. Maybe you have a question, and something that you will find that's very important is that we can learn from each other. There's certain experiences that you have that I don't have. And there's certain experiences that I have that you might not have, or another student that might have that we might not have. So we could actually learn from each other. So I really want to encourage you this week to focus on those discussion questions. And by Friday, I'll give you a quiz. Last week we didn't have a quiz because I wanted you guys to focus on the discussion questions and get caught up and different things like that. So thank you for continue to be faithful within your assignments and also online. And I've been hearing some great stuff. So God bless you, and I hope you have a great time this week. Amen.